Hey, today I'm going to be unboxing the Wargames delivered Army Painter Mega Selection. Picked it up online through the Wargames Facebook group, and I just wanted to go ahead and take a look, check it out, share what's inside, and give you my impressions. Alright, and so right out of the box, it's got a painting guide, 55 bottles of the Army Painter collection, 2 brushes, and 5 bottles, and of course, one of the highlights for me is the 100 count on the metal ball bearings. Unfortunately, I have some carpal tunnel issues, so giving that paint a shake after a little bit really does start to end in sore wrists even before I get started. And I stand corrected as I was going through the box and kind of breaking it out. As you see here, I did discover there are actually 4 brushes. I'm not sure how I missed that the first time around. I really like the Army Painter pigments. When properly mixed, I'm coming from an art craft paint, so I was able to get some of the same results, but my times were a lot longer in between dry time. They always came off really shiny. I don't have that problem with the Army Painter. I started out with the D&D sets that Army Painter offered, and have had some really good results. I will go ahead and link a couple of those over in my Imager account or my DeviantArt account if you guys want to check those out. So one of the projects that I'm working on right now is a cathedral for Curse of Strahd. I want to do a Temple to the Morning Lord. And so while a lot of people won't use their paints on these scale models, I kind of like to use them because they're finer and get into some areas that my normal craft paint is going to cake up and that kind of thing. But I also want to be able to use different blending applications with my wet palette and using glazing and that kind of thing to really give a really neat effect to the floors. They're going to be marble when they're done. And I'm also working on some transparents that are going to go into each of the windows of the church. So I'm looking forward to getting a few figures out with this to kind of go along with the Curse of Strahd campaign I'm going to start up here soon. And if you guys want to see more content of unboxing, you want to see me do some tutorials on some of the painting I have done, feel free to leave a like and feel free to subscribe.